Justice!
Baloch watch!
Justice! Justice!
Sindh, Baloch and French community staged a protest outside the Canadian embassy in Paris seeking justice for Karima Baloch. Karima Baloch's body was found in Ontario, Lake Toronto, under mysterious circumstances. The Toronto police declared her death as non-criminal death on December 23rd. Karima was living in exile since 2016 and was actively participating for the rights of Balochistan in Pakistan. The protesters demanded an independent and thorough investigation in Karima Baloch's death. They were seen holding placards of Karima Baloch and shouted "Shame Pakistan" slogans.
Pakistan!
Murdabad!
Terrorist! Terrorist!
Terrorist!
Terrorist!
One of the protesters even stated that the police should listen to Karima Baloch's husband, Hamal Haidar's demand of probe over her death.
Which we suspect is a killing that needs to be investigated. The context of it has to be put into place. We need to look at all the threats. Hamal, Karima Baloch's husband, has been demanding from the police that the police should be giving more information than just saying that they concluded it as a suicide.
They also requested the Canadian police to not neglect the activist's death.
Baloch, who was living in Dubai, he was initially abducted illegally, and then after few months we received this message on the Pakistani televisions that Pakistan apprehended Rashid Hussain Baloch and he has been taken back to Pakistan from the UAE authorities. Unfortunately, whatever UAE authorities did, that was illegal.
While another protester compared Karima's death to activist Rashid Hussain Baloch's mysterious death.
What is our request from Honorable Prime Minister of Canada, Minister, to do what we want, what Madam Honorable Her Excellency Isabel, the Ambassador of Canada here in France, in Paris, why we are gathered in front of your embassy, what is our demand from the Canadian authorities that they should investigate the mysterious death of Karima Baloch through scientific methods. They should consider all those risk concerns which was.
Rashid Hussain Baloch was an activist who was living in exile and was illegally detained by UAE authorities. The Emirati authorities haven't disclosed his location since then.
Must contact the Baloch community representatives that what Baloch people think that who has played a foul play on the mysterious death of Banu Karima Baloch.
The protesters also said that the Canadian Prime Minister, Justin Trudeau, must consult them and inquire about the problems faced by the community.
People at international forums such as United Nations, I myself have seen her. She was raising the Baloch community voice with a bold voice over there. She was asking why the Baloch are deprived of our freedom, why the Baloch are not having our sovereign land.
The Sindhi Baloch Forum will be organizing a webinar to put pressure on international organization over the increase in killings of Baloch activists and their safety overseas. During the webinar, they will be paying homage to the prominent human rights and political activist Karima Baloch. The Baloch activist's death has also sparked protests across Europe and North America, where the activists took to streets in Toronto, Berlin and Netherlands, asking the Canadian government to investigate. Balochistan is a province where Pakistani army is accused of indulging in human rights violations, including abducting and killing of activists. Resource-rich Balochistan has been taken over by an insurgency for more than 15 years. Thousands of Baloch political activists are escaping from Balochistan to several European countries to avoid persecution.